Hello everybody, I'm Janvi. As you see on the screen, our today's topic is transmission technology and networking. Let's move further into the introduction of transmission technology. Transmission technology, it refers to the methods and techniques used for transmitting the data between the devices in a communication channel. It encompasses the physical, logical processes involved in sending, receiving information, ensuring effective communication between connected devices. The transmission technology plays a crucial role in determining how data is transferred, the speed of the transmission, and the reliability of the communication. So now let's discuss about the various types of transmission technologies. It's of two types: broadcasting and point-to-point transmission technology. Broadcasting involves transmitting the data from one source to multiple recipients. It is commonly used in TV and radio broadcasting to reach wide audience simultaneously. And the other kind of transmission technology is point to point. Point to point transmission technology refers to the communication method in which data is exchanged between two specific devices or nodes. In this type of communication, there is a dedicated communication link that might be of any topology between the sender and the receiver. In order to share information and data among various devices and nodes, there is a necessity of networking, that is interconnection between the devices and nodes. So networking is a foundation of modern communication, enabling devices to connect, share resources, and exchange information. Different types of network cater to various skills and purpose, each playing a unique role in our interconnected world. So the classification of networking could be of many types. One among them is PAN, that is Personal Area Network. Definition of PAN. PAN is a small scale network designed for personal use, connecting devices within a short range such as computer and its peripheral like wireless mouse or keyboard. So it basically represents for a person, and its ranges within a meter, where a system is connected to a printer, mouse, keyboard, could be referred as PAN. Advantages of PAN: allows for connection of personal devices such as smartphones, tablets, wearable technologies within a small area. Applications: use for personal automation, healthcare monitoring, and data synchronization between the devices. So the other type of networking is LAN, that is local area network. A LAN is a network that connects devices within a limited area such as home, office, campus, or a building. It allows for sharing of resources such as files and printers and enabling communication between devices within the network. Could be defined as a network which has a limited geographical area connecting computers and devices within a single building or a campus, allowing for resource sharing, file exchange, and efficient communication. So LANs can be allocated in a range of 100 meters, 10 meters, and a kilometer. Advantages of LAN: facilitates high speed communication and resource sharing between the devices within a specific geographic area like office or a home. Applications of LAN: commonly used for organizations for internal communication, file sharing, and printers. Other classification of networking is MAN. It refers to metropolitan area network. A MAN spans a larger geographical area than a LAN, connecting multiple LANs within a city or a metropolitan region, facilitating broader communication and resource sharing. So the advantages of MAN is it enables the interconnection of various LANs within a single geographical area such as a city or a town, and applications used for wide internet access in the cities, large scale file sharing, and geographical communication networking. In real life, these are used in banks. So other classification of networking is WAN, which stands for wide area network. So the definition of WAN: WANs are expansive networks that cover large geographical distances, connecting networks across cities, countries, and continents, often to use diverse transmission technologies to enable the communication between distant locations. So WANs are mainly used across countries, cities, and continents, which can range about more than 1000 kilometers and 100 kilometers. So the advantages of WAN: enables connection across broad geographical area, including national and international coverages, applications, supports global internet connectivity, cloud services, and multinational company networks. So most of the MNC companies use WAN to connect each of their offices for excessive file sharing. So now let's see through various advantages and disadvantages of each of the classification. PAN, the advantage is personal data security, as it is only meant for a particular device or the node. There is no data leakage. And disadvantages, it is meant for a particular PC, hence there is limited coverage and it ranges for a meter. And a LAN, that is local area network, so the advantage is high speed and the disadvantage is limitation in the geographical scope. And LANs are only meant for a home, building, campus or an office, so there is no file sharing, expansive file sharing. MAN, that is metropolitan area network, so the advantage is expansive communication and the disadvantages costly infrastructure due to the expansive cabling or the extra networking devices requirement. And WAN, the advantage is global reach and it exceeds the limitation of the coverage, and disadvantages susceptible to latency issues. So with a small understanding about transmission technology and the classification of networking, let's conclude. So with an understanding of transmission technology, it is crucial to comprehend the diverse methods of data transmission to design efficient and effective communication networks. Enhanced digital connectivity, as advancements in the transmission technology contribute to the seamless access to information and resource across various scales. Innovation and evolution, as technology evolves, the development of transmission method continues to shape the future of global communication networks. Thank you. I hope you found this presentation informative.